SIMIT Dental was born at the end of the 80s as an importer of some of the main leading brands in the dental field. Over the years, the evolution of the market has pushed us to a significant change. We turned our firm into a service company, able to offer our suppliers a wide variety of innovative distribution models.
The complete range of products managed exclusively by the SIMIT Group is distributed through over 60 national and regional dental depots thanks to our Salesforce team. Our sole agents are divided into area managers and line specialists that offer technical and scientific support for dental depots.
Due to big changes in the new communication dynamics with customers, the marketing department has invested many resources by strengthening the internal structure with a team of product managers, a graphic office, and a new department dedicated to social media, where SIMIT is already active on Facebook with over 1,500 interactions a month and is more and more present on other social channels such as Instagram and LinkedIn.
SIMIT Education represents one of the main assets of the SIMIT Group, which has always based its business model not only on the quality products we sell, but also focusing on the continuous education of our customers.
SIMIT Education is dedicated to the organization and management of continuous education for dentists. Thanks to a network of over 70 certified opinion leaders throughout Italy, the department organizes over 250 courses per year. SIMIT Education has trained over 20,000 dentists and students from over 25 universities that are part of school grant program. SIMIT has also created the Education Center, a dedicated area equipped with multifunctional spaces designed for various learning activities. SIMIT Education also organizes two different national events. The first one is the biennial Symposium SIMIT Day, with the presence of important national and international speakers and more than 500 participants for each edition. The second event is the Opinion Leader Meeting, a closed event dedicated to its certified opinion leaders that gives a preview of the main innovative new products that SIMIT Group is going to launch.
The acquisition of important representatives in the world of equipment has given us the opportunity to create the SIMIT Service Division in order to grant our customers a professional and reliable after-sales service.